Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
From counterfeit bags, shoes, belts and clothes to now food items such as curry powder.
Yes, curry powder. That's right, Archie. You heard right. The police seized several boxes of fake curry at a supermarket in Manchester.
Jamaica Maitland reports.
It looks like curry, may even taste like curry, but is it? Well, according to the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigations Branch, CTOC, it's not.
Most of our reports, would have mentioned sneakers and pharmaceuticals, but this morning they're moving to the food item, which is curry. And it is a sad day for us because these criminals, I call them criminals, they have no care whatsoever about the human element. All they care about is making money.
Head of the Intellectual Property Rights Unit, DSP Victor Barrett, says the goods were found at a supermarket in Manchester on Wednesday. According to DSP Barrett, although the curry powder bears the same packaging of a popular local brand, the content inside the package was reportedly not made by the rights holder.
When you buy a curry and you're not sure what the process is or the process that they put the curry through, you don't know how it is done. So there is no guarantee that you're buying a curry with a certain standard as opposed to buying a curry from the rightful owner.
The goods were estimated to be 3.2 million Jamaican dollars. The police couldn't readily say how many of the curry powder was sold already or even who bought it. The issue with products like these is that the public oftentimes don't realize until it's too late. Then there's the issue of tracing the origin of the product in the event that someone gets sick. During a recent press conference, head of the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office, Lily Claire Bellamy, explained the process similar to buying a counterfeit shirt.
If you put on that t-shirt and your skin changes color or it starts to peel off, who are you going to go to for redress? It has no owner. So you cannot follow. So there's no redress for you as a consumer if you utilize a good that has no real owner.
So how then can the public know the difference? CTOC says it's ramping up public awareness sessions island-wide. In the meantime, it's urging citizens to purchase from reputable sources. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.